Good morning, business partners. Today, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-change ng email address. So, login lang po kayo sa inyong unified account. Then, sa upper left, meron pong option. Click nyo po yon. And then, click nyo po yung settings. Alright? And then, choose email address. Enter your current email na ginagamit nyo. And then, enter the new email address na gusto nyong ipalit. And then, enter nyo po transaction password or your PIN na ginawa po natin. And then, after nyo po ma-enter yung transaction password, click nyo lang po continue. And then, hihingi po yan ng OTP na isesend po doon sa contact number na nakalink po sa unified account nyo. Okay? So, after nyo po ma-receive, enter nyo po yung code and then click nyo po submit. Okay? And then, magno-notify po siya kung successful na po yung change email natin. Okay? So, thank you so much.